3 ways to make money from home. Passive income gives you freedom and a standard of living that really inspires us to retire early and live a king-size life. Fortunately, it's possible, and there are many great ways to make money from home even if you are a beginner. There are hundreds of ways to make money from home, but hardly you will find anyone working for you. However, these 10 methods are easy to start and anyone works from anywhere in this world. 1. Online surveys for money, plus best survey sites. This is the easiest, most free, and most trusted way to make money. There are many trusted surveys that pay cash instantly for taking surveys. Many companies require customers' opinions to build sustainable, user-friendly, and profitable products or services, or for marketing purposes. And your opinion helps them to succeed. But you get paid to take surveys, opinion, and time. Isn't it cool? 5 best survey sites. There are many best and most trusted survey sites where you can really start earning from the very first day. 1. Inbox Dollars. Join and earn a $5 bonus instantly. 2. Survey Junkie, most popular among all others. 3. Pinecone Research Surveys, US. 4. Make Survey Money Site. 5. Real surveys that pay. 2. Create a blog to earn money. As an entrepreneur, if you start your journey as a blogger, content or video, you are most likely to end up making way more than 87% of online performance marketers and freelancers. When you create a blog, you learn many different kinds of skills that are helpful everywhere. Even if you go for a 9-to-5 job. Don't hesitate. Nothing in this world comes for free. Even if you are jobless and wasting time on less productive work, you are losing out on a bright future. You can create a blog for as low as $40 and start earning in different ways. Follow the post shared above to learn exclusively about blogging. 3. Affiliate marketing. What if you start earning $5,000 from the first month? Well, you will certainly like to praise me for motivating you. But, it's not just that. Trust me, it is possible to earn $5,000 to $50,000 and even more every month online as an affiliate marketer. I hope this video was helpful and it pushes you to start something.